Hi viewers, so in this video we are visiting at OAK Natura. It's a residential project society located in Sushant Golf City in Lucknow. So viewers, we have a lot of things to showcase to you in this video, so stay tuned till the end and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for latest real estate videos and updates. So let's get started. So friends, here you can take the view of project model. This project carries 3 towers called Olive, Maple and Willow, and it offers spacious and luxuriously built flats with airy rooms and wide balconies. It's a corner plot project. This project offers a clubhouse with modern amenities, both indoor and outdoor. And now we are inside the project tower. So this is the wide entrance lobby. And now we are taking you into a 3.5 BHK sample flat. So this is the way towards the flat. And first we have a servant room. And this servant room comes with an attached washroom. So this we have showed you the servant room which is outside the flat, and now we are entering into a 3.5 BHK model flat. So this is the main entrance door. And just next to the entrance, on the right hand side we have a storeroom. And on the left hand side we have a guest bedroom, or we can use it as a study room. The room is very well designed with a wide window and a wardrobe. Now this is the common washroom, which is just opposite to the guest bedroom. The washroom is very well fitted with ultra-modern sanitary fittings. And now we are here in the first bedroom of this model flat. And this is an attached washroom. So basically it's a common washroom which has 2 access doors. And the room also has a wide balcony. Now in front you can see a spacious living cum dining area. Beautifully designed with a wide balcony. And next we have the modular kitchen. The kitchen is designed with service platform and is finely crafted with efficient space. As in this video you can see. It's well furnished. And here's an attached balcony to it. Now let's have a look at the second bedroom of this model flat. So this room is also spacious and it also has a wide window for proper ventilation of light and air. And this bedroom comes with an attached washroom with all the sanitary fittings of Western style. And now finally we are here in the master bedroom. The room is spacious and is designed with laminated wooden flooring. So it's a 3-side open flat. And the master bedroom comes with an attached balcony. And it also has a dressing area and an attached washroom. So as you see here, this is the walk-in closet and the washroom, luxuriously built with top-class sanitary fittings. So viewers, here we have showed you a 3.5 BHK model flat of Natura 1 Oak. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching. So if you're interested to book a flat in this project, then please contact our sales team at the given number. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for latest real estate videos and updates. Thank you.